Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Nissan Sentra Expert Review. Billy Reebok. The 8th generation Nissan Sentra has impressed us like no version of this compact sedan ever has before. Now, this staple of Nissan's lineup receives an update for the 2024 model year. Changes include a tweaked exterior design, a revised interior, and more tech than before. The 2024 Nissan Sentra competes with other compact sedans including the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Hyundai Elantra. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron updated front fascia with revised headlights, new CVT automatic start, stop, refreshed SR trim level, cosmetics, heated seats standard for Sentra SR, new SV premium package, new 16 and 18-inch wheel designs. What we think? Chevron. The 8th generation Nissan Sentra is the most competitive version of the brand's compact sedan to date. Not only is it priced to undercut its rivals, Nissan also equips a value-packed suite of standard equipment. We've enjoyed driving this version of the Sentra more than its predecessors. Its composed ride makes the compact sedan refined and pleasant for commuter duty. The Sentra has become even more compelling with attractive new styling and more features added across the lineup for the 2024 model year. A new CVT automatic will hopefully improve the Sentra's drivetrain refinement. Although Nissan's compact sedan is a strong value at MSRP, buyers should factor in the Sentra's historically poor retained value before plunking down cash for a purchase. Performance and MPGs. Chevron. The 2024 Sentra's powertrain is a partial carryover from the previous model year. A 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine developing 149 horsepower and 146 pounds-to-feet of torque serves as the only engine on offer. All Sentra sedans now receive a new CVT automatic, which the automaker says is smoother and improve fuel economy. Front-wheel drive is standard, but Nissan does not currently offer the Sentra with all-wheel drive. In our testing, a 2022 Nissan Sentra using the outgoing transmission accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a pokey 9.7 seconds. Fuel economy. For most 2023 Nissan Sentra models are rated at 29/39 mile per gallon city, highway. The top-level SR model returns 28/37 mile per gallon. Nissan says these figures should improve for the 2024 model year. The forbidden Nissan Sentra hybrid. Chevron. Nissan builds a hybrid version of its compact sedan for the Chinese market, which it calls the Sylphy e-Power. Nissan's e-Power system uses a 1.5 kWh battery and an electric motor developing 134 horsepower and 221 pounds-to-feet of torque to drive the front wheels. In a similar fashion as the now discontinued Chevrolet Volt, a 3-cylinder engine serves as the battery pack's generator. Plug-in charging is not offered, however. Although we would like to see a hybrid version of the Sentra offered in the United States, we think it's unlikely that an electrified version will ever join the lineup on our shores. Safety ratings and features. Chevron. The 2023 Nissan Sentra received good scores in every one of the IS's crashworthiness categories except for the updated side impact test, where it received the second highest score of acceptable. The 2023 Sentra's headlights were scored as poor, the lowest rating issued by the IS. The updated 2024 Sentra may fare better in this final area as a result of its new headlight design. The Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite of active driver assistance features comes standard on every 2024 Sentra. including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. Nissan also offers available driver alertness monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. The automaker also makes its Easy Fill Tire Alert, which honks the horn to communicate that there's enough air in the tires. Cargo space and interior room. Chevron the Sentra's interior dimensions carry over for the 2024 model year. It continues to offer more front legroom than the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla, but rear legroom is merely adequate. Cargo space falls in the middle of Honda and Toyota's compact sedans. Technology. Chevron Nissan equips the 2024 Sentra with push-button start, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a speed-sensitive audio system. A 7.0-inch touchscreen is standard and an 8.0-inch touchscreen is offered as an upgrade. A 4.2-inch digital instrument display carries over as standard equipment with a bigger 7.0-inch screen available on higher trims. Nissan offers 4, 6, and 8-speaker sound systems for 2024. Other available technology includes power driver's seat, heated front seats, remote start, and 360-degree camera. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.